Hey guys, good morning. Many of you requested me some time back to take this cover off and show the air filter what we have inside, which is a viscous paper type air filter. So let's go ahead and do that right away. So again, you would need the standard 5 mm Allen key which comes in the bike on the other side. So in order to open up this bolt, so let's go ahead. Same way, you need to pull this little bit towards you and then lift this up slowly this way. So because it sits on this particular anchor here, this anchor and this rubber ring, and this is the bolt. All right, so this is our air filter unit. Let me go ahead and just wipe it off and then open it up. There's a lot of dust inside this, so it's a good idea to wipe it out, otherwise the dust can get into your air filter, right? Alright, so I think we have our first aid kit right here. So I think this can just be lifted off this way. Let's keep this aside. So there are totally 6 screws what we need to take off. So you'll need a Phillips screwdriver which comes in the toolkit. There's one. Two, and this is off. Okay, so this is pretty much just a top cover. So let's wipe it clean. So, and this is the actual air filter unit or the box which is sitting inside, and this is sitting on 1 2 3 4 5 screws totally. So, and I was checking the manual for the service interval, right? Service interval for, or the replacement interval for air filter element which is inside this is 18,000 kilometers, guys. 18,000 kilometers. So the service center in the second service would not even bother to open it up and check, because the service interval itself is 18,000 kilometers. And also an important point to note here would be the paper viscous type air filters are usually disposable type. They are never the ones what you can clean and put it back. So never try to clean or blow viscous type air filter and try to reuse it, because it loses its ability to filter better. So it's it's a replaceable type. So there are 5 screws here. All of them are of about 1 inch length. All right, there we go. Some things here. There's one more screw here where something is holding the air filter compartment. All right. There's one more screw. Okay, there it comes off. Okay. So this is the case, guys. This is the case in which your air filter is sitting. So it was pretty much not really required for me to open this up at this point in time, but there was request from few of our friends who wanted to see the viscous type air filter, what is there inside. So this is the air filter, what is there inside, and it's a cassette type air filter like this. And yeah, I'm actually quite surprised to see it being so dirty. So, and Honda says the replacement frequency is 18,000 kilometers. A bit surprising, actually. It's surprising. So anyways, I've opened it up, so I'm just going to clean up the entire area inside. So this is how it is inside. So this is going into the intake manifold, which is going to supply the air mixture to the engine. So I'll just go ahead and put it back, because there's nothing to be done here in this particular air filter. Probably next time around when I visit the service center, I will just pick up a fresh air filter and try to replace it, because I don't think this is going to go for 18,000 kilometers. Probably I will change it at 10,000 kilometers or so. If you can see the dirt accumulated in this, right? And this cannot be cleaned by tapping, so because it's got some oil kind of a solution within the paper which absorbs the dust. So yeah, so it sits this way into this hand right here. So yeah, let me put it back the same way. I had taken this off. This is not required. So this air filter, guys, these are not too expensive. This must be costing somewhere around, say, 200 or 300 rupees typically. That's all it costs. So it's a good idea to replace it probably at 10,000. Looking at this, I would do a 10,000 kilometer replacement interval. So pretty much, yeah, looks good. So just make sure you put it back exactly the same way as you took it out, right? Because You do not want to create a gap between the points where it's sitting. So close. Yeah. So I'm just going to secure this back and close the side cover. So yeah, so guys, that's the air filter for you guys. So let me know in case of any questions. As always, happy to clarify, happy to answer. Thank you.